Throughout Voces, there are many pieces that are hidden in yellow boxes. Those are actually teacher notes that are not visible to the student. If you do want to share it with your students, simply scroll to the bottom and click Edit this page. You can go ahead and rename this, just something that lets you know what you've changed about the page. So you may say Transcript Visible, then click OK. Now on the left-hand side, we'll see the different sections on the page. So we'll scroll to that transcript section. Then on the right-hand side of the page, we'll find that section and click Edit Section. So this one is Section 2. We'll click Edit Section within that gray box. Here we'll see the option for Teacher Only. Make sure that is unchecked and then click Save. Now click Save Page and close out of the editor. When the page reloads, we'll see that there's no longer a yellow box around that transcript. If you don't see the changes, we do recommend refreshing your browser. That usually fixes it. But of course, if you have any questions or run into any trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to us using the question mark icon within your account.